Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Have you guys ever wondered how much it would cost to buy a Tesla? Well, in this video, I'm going to break it down for you guys very simply. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be purchasing a Tesla together. Now, there's different pricing that the Tesla company offers. You can lease a car, you can finance a car, and you can purchase a car. So in this video, we're going to be actually going through the process of actually purchasing it. And so, if you have a gas car and you're looking to buy an electric car, this would be the perfect video for you. And if you just simply want to know, how much you need to pay monthly, and what are some of the costs, well, stay tuned to this video. I'll be explaining everything in this video. All right, guys. So we are on the website of Tesla. So this is the new model that they got. It is the Plaid version. But today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be placing an order for the Model 3. Okay, we're going to be going down and breaking down exactly how much it costs. So let's do it together. So this is the main page. If you go to tesla.com, right, they have the Model S, 3XY Cybertruck, and the Powerwall. So let's go and order the Model 3 together. So let's say you wanted to buy it in terms of a lease or a finance. And I'll break it down what a lease or a finance is very quickly. So a lease is renting a car for a long term. Finance is you're buying the car. However, so you have ownership of the car, like it's yours, and you still have to pay the dealership monthly payments. And then at the end of your term, which is like 4 years, let's say, the car is completely yours. So you're paying it off slowly. A lease is like you're renting it out. After 4 years, you give the car back. And so a Tesla doesn't allow you to buy back the car if you're leasing. That's also something that I found out at the dealership. If you lease a car, you use it for 4 years and then you have to give it back. Tesla, the advantage they have of getting a lease for you is actually, I'll put it into another video. In this one, I just want to break down the payment. So if you guys are thinking of buying a Tesla, don't get this $10,000 option right now because it's going to go towards your finance and then you have to just pay more interest on it, right? So don't get it yet. If ever in the future you are allowed to use this option, you can always add it. It's just a software upgrade. So, let's say in like 4 years where, the city gives you the approval, you're allowed to use this option. You can call up Tesla. You can say, hey, I want this option. You pay them this amount and then they'll just it's a software, right? It's like a toggle button. Once they toggle it from a no to yes, you'll have it in your car, you'll be able to use it. So if you guys want to save a lot of money, make sure not to add this. It's going to save you guys a lot of money. All right, guys, so that's it. And it says continue to order your Model 3. Estimate delivery 9 to 3 weeks. Like I said, I know it takes about 3 to 4 months because a lot of these inventories they're back ordered. So everything you place on order right now, because there's such a high demand and there's very low production, it takes about 3 to 4 months. So I'm going to continue to the payment. All right, guys, so this is going to break it down for you. It's going to show you guys exactly how much, what it is that we're getting, and we're going to break it down to the price. So let's go together with that. Let's go over that together. So Model 3 Standard Plus rear wheel drive, pearl white paint, 19 sport wheels, all black, partial premium interior, basic autopilot, 30-day premium connectivity trial. Okay, that's included, I guess. All right, so this is the price. Purchase price is $54,990. Includes $1,280 destination and documentation fee, $100 air conditioning fee, and $10 OMVIC fee. Ontario only. Taxes calculated on purchase price. So I'm not in Ontario, so I guess I don't have to pay that $10. Big saving, right? All right, so federal incentive, right? This portion is already applied into the price. So now it's actually only cost me $49,990, right? This one's already applied. The provincial discount, right? And it varies from province to province, right? If you're in British Columbia or if you're in Ontario, you need to find out, with your government, how much of an incentive that they are giving you. If they're giving you, that's another reason, to get into the electric vehicle. Right now, they're providing incentives because, it's something early and it's not the norm to buy an electric car. So they're trying to get people, to slowly move into this. However, maybe in 5 years, they might not be providing this incentive because everyone will have it, right? So there won't be an incentive to make you switch from gas to electric. That's why this incentive is here. So it was here last year. It's been here this year. I hope that it will be also available next year. So yeah, as long as it's there, right? Like our goal is to get a good product and get it at the best deal, right? So if the government's offering, a good deal, why not take advantage of it, right? Look, so it's already at this price. So it's providing me with a gas saving. Okay, cool. And then it gives you also the $8,000 rebate, right, for Quebec. This is what I was talking about. So the 5,000 and the 8,000 in total is $13,000 that you're saving. And then it's yeah, it's saying that it's 6 years. I'm gonna save $6,700, and then it says after potential future saving $14,000. I'm not sure why it's saying that. Doesn't clarify what this is. Gas, I can understand, but that's okay. After potential saving, it's saying that I'm going to be only paying $35,000. Okay. If I pay for this in cash, all right. So due today, only $100, right? So if I decide to change my mind, I confirmed this with the dealership. They said after the car has arrived at the dealership, if you don't like it, you can return it, which is pretty cool. So it makes it seem as if there's no obligation in purchasing the car. You just lose $100, which is non-refundable. All right, guys. So this was a portion about the cat. If I wanted to purchase this in cash, let's go and look at the portion for lease. So the lease after savings, so estimated lease is $614 per month, right? So you need to have a $5,250 down payment, and it will be for 48 months, which is about 4 years, which is 4 years, and it's included. You're able to drive 16,000 kilometers. All right. Oh, you can actually look if you guys put a higher down term you can change, right? No, term you can change, kilometers you can change. Look at that. So if you guys want more kilometers, it would cost $656 plus taxes. So over here, it's not showing you the taxes. Yeah, so they always put the gasoline saving because you're not spending that much money on gas, right? So, compared to the most common cars now, it probably doesn't even cost this much, might be less. So this is, relative. So if you wanted more kilometers, let's say I want to keep the same kilometers, but I want to put in maybe, let's say 25,000 down. Oh, down payment cannot exceed 25% of value of the vehicle. Okay, yeah, that's fine. 13,000. Okay. So then the lease payment comes out to only $421, right? And guys, but keep in mind, right? They're putting in a lot of these, like they're putting in the saving, they're putting in this saving too. So this might not be accurate. Oh, look, it's saying that, yeah, $421 after this incentive. So you gotta take this away and take this away. So let's say it's about $600 per month plus taxes. So that's for a lease. And okay, before we place the order, let's go and talk about finance. So it says loan here. So what that means is basically what I was talking about, paying off the car slowly. So let's look at the price breakdown. Okay, so here, let's go back to the 5% down that they were saying. 5250. Oh, you can have it for 96 months. Wow. Does that lower? Here, let me just. Okay, so the best option of getting, saving the most amount of money is if you pay the down payment, but the term is if you keep it 72 months, you get a very low percentage of interest. So APR, this is the interest that they charge you on the amount. So the value of the car, as we looked at, the value of the car was $54,990 minus the federal tax, so 49,000. So let's say 50,000, right? And we want to customize it. So 50,000, right? Plus minus down payment. So the amount that you're financing is this much. So your loan will be $743 plus taxes. Yeah, so the payment comes out to about $1,000 per month, right? That's if you finance the car. So if you lease it, it's cheaper. You're paying less, right? Instead of paying yeah, so instead of paying about $1,000, you pay a bit less than $1,000. Um, lease is so without taxes. Okay, so taxes vary from province to province. So let's not talk about taxes for now. So if the lease payment is $614 and the finance is $743, right? So financing is more expensive because every month that you pay, you get a bigger ownership of the car, right? Like you get to um, uh, you're becoming a bigger and bigger owner. At the point when you purchase a car and you finance it, when you finance a car, right, like you are getting a loan on the car. That means Tesla is the owner of the car. And as you pay it off slowly, they get less of the ownership and you get more of the ownership. So at the end of your term, which is 4 years or in this case 72 months, you'll have full ownership of the car. And that means you paid it off completely and it's yours. So meanwhile that you're becoming the owner, you're paying Tesla this percentage of interest, APR, right? That's their fee that they charge you every single month for that loan that they give you for this car. Um, so financing is a bit more expensive because Tesla makes less money. Tesla makes way more money on leasing. Leasing, all dealerships make more money in leasing. That's why they offer it to you at a lower price because they want you to take that option. And also at the end of the lease, they get the car back too, right? So it's another incentive dealerships have, offering you to lease a car instead of financing a car. So guys, this was a breakdown of a Tesla Model 3. This is a Model 2021 car, right? Brand new car. You get $30,000 off where I live within Quebec if you purchase this car right now. And check with your government what incentives they're offering you. That could be federally, or that could be within your province or within your state, right? Find out, and right, like if the government is offering you this huge discount, take advantage of it. And look, at the end of 4 years, the car will be yours. If it's a brand new car. This is a futuristic car, right? And you only need to pay $100, right? So let's go and order this car. That gives you the option of, hey, let's look at by clicking place order, I agree to the Model 3 agreements and supercharger fare. Okay. I understand consent to be contacted. It's not a condition of the purchase. Perfect. So you have two ways of paying. So let's look at that. You can pay either by Apple or you can order with card. So order it with a card. Enter account details. So I'm going to put in my contact info here. First name, last name, email address, phone number. Perfect. And then card, name of the card, obviously my name, credit card number, expiration, month, year, CVC code, postal code, and due today. Once I've put this in, then the car will be placed on order. All right, guys, so it's pretty simple to order this, right? Like there's only like 4 steps, 5 steps, and you put in your info and you can order the car. So I hope you guys really liked this video. I hope you learned a lot. You got the difference between the different buying options, purchasing a car, leasing a car, or financing a Tesla. So if you guys are interested, in purchasing a car, well, now I broke it down for you very simply. So if you guys are actually more interested in knowing, a bit more details about the 3 buying options, or if you want me to make another video and explain it, a bit more detail, please let me know. I'll be happy to do that for you guys. I just wanted to give you guys a quick brief overview of the buying process, the different price points, and what is out there if you're looking to buy this electric car. It's a beautiful car. I think everyone's moving towards a more green environment, and this is a good option. So guys, if you are interested in purchasing a Tesla, you can do that very easily, and you can watch this video again if you need to go through the steps. But it's very simple to buy a car on their website, tesla.com. All right, guys. So I hope you like this video. Please leave me a like if you guys learned something from this video. If you have someone who maybe a friend or someone who wanted to learn about a Tesla, how to place an order, or maybe you want to learn about the pricing, you can share this video with them. Please leave me in the comment below if you love Tesla. And what you think about Tesla? Do you think that we are moving towards a more green environment? Are we moving slowly, quickly, or let me know your opinion. I would love if you guys can leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about Tesla. Do you like Tesla? Do you like the Model 3, Model S, or Model X? If you guys want me to, make another video about another model and go over the price points together, we can do that as well. And that's it for this video, guys. Stay tuned to the next one.